Today I'm going to show you how to control your iPhone using Terminal. These are the things you're going to need. OpenSSH, Mobile Terminal, you get these from Cydia, and for your Mac you need Crossover and Terminal, which your Terminal is already installed. So first of all, you want to go to your iPhone, open up Cydia, go and install OpenSSH first, and then Mobile Terminal after. Search OpenSSH, it'll be the only entry there, and then wait for it to reload the data. Then you want to search for Mobile Terminal. I'll show you what one it is right now, if I can type properly. Mobile Terminal. You want to click the third entry. You might need to add a repo for this, and the repo is where's Karen's Pineapple. So angelxwin.net. Once you have that installed, go back to your Mac. Install Crossover. I'll show you how to. Google Crossover. Go to Crossover Mac Code Weavers and click free trial. You can buy it, but I'm just using it for a free trial at the moment. So once you've done that, type in Google again. Type in neoneggshell. It's the second entry. Go all the way down to the bottom and copy and paste this code here. If you're doing it on iPhone, that's a completely different way. Well, it's not completely different, but you need two iPhones to do it, which I don't have. But this is the one we're going to be focusing on today. You can use it on Linux as well as Mac. You might be able to work around for Windows, I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, copy and paste that code. Open Terminal. Wait for it to load. Control V. We're going to leave that there for the moment. What you want to do next is go to folder, type in user local share. Wait for it to load. I didn't have this file to begin with. That's why I kept getting errors. What you want to do is create a new folder. Put your password in. You want to name it Nest. Now I'm not gonna do that because I've already got it. But you'll need to do that, which is vital. Right, so anyway, I've got that created. Once you've got this in Terminal, you want to click enter. Wait for it to load. You'll come to this screen. You have different options. You have start server, start multi-server. I'm going to create a shell script payload first because I find that's the easiest way. You can create a Cydia package, so you can send it to someone's iPhone. They can download it via Cydia, and that could be an easier way. I'm not sure how to do that yet, but I'm going to stick to what I know. So type 3, click enter. The local host is your own Wi-Fi, so I'm going to do it on my own phone, which is connected to my Wi-Fi. If you want to do connected to someone's phone, which is halfway across the country, then you have to type in different settings. But I'm going to keep it as local host. Local port, I'm going to keep that the same. Make it a background job. Once you exit the command prompt, you want to try and reconnect. Your phone will try and reconnect to it. So when you load it again, it should reconnect. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do it for once this time. This blue code is you're going to need this, which is everything you're going to need. So exit notes. You want to create a new text file by going to text edit, pasting the code in, and saving it as shell. I've already done this several times, so I'm going to put shell 5. Save it on the desktop, exit that. This is where you need Crossover. You want to type in Crossover once you've downloaded it and installed it. Then I'll show you how to install WinSCP. I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to go through all the setup, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. So first of all, I'm going to set this up. You're going to click install Windows application, wait for all of this to load. You can install any Windows application via this application. So all these you can install if you wanted to. Cube World is quite a good game, but yeah, Microsoft Word, all crap like that. Terraria is a good game, Skyrim. But anyway, WinSCP you want to type in, be the top one. Then click install. I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to launch it. Once it's installed, it should just come up in here. I'm going to exit crossover, which just minimises it. Wait for WinSCP to start up. If it does, right, host name. Go back on your iPhone. Your host name is your IP address. So you want to go to Wi-Fi. Your connected Wi-Fi. Click I. The IP address, the top one, will be the host name. So mine's 192.168.0.5. Username will be root. Password will be Alpine, which is default. Click login. You can change it after, which I recommend, but that will be the default password. The shell thing we created over here, you want to drag it in there, copy it, and then it's in your root directory. So you're going to need iFile installed as well, which I should have mentioned, but just install iFile. Go straight back to the beginning. You want to go down to the bottom to var, and then find the root, then shell 5, what we just downloaded. Click web viewer. This is your code up here which you need to copy. So hold on it, copy, click done, go back to home, search terminal. You have to do a couple of settings first. Click DI in the bottom right, click gestures, double tap, set it to enable, disable, copy and paste. So every time you double tap, it'll enable or disable it. So I just double tapped, which should have enabled it, which I'll see if it has in a minute. Don't think it has. Double tap again, maybe. There we go. Paste, click return, and it should come up maybe. No, let's try S. First of all, sorry, yeah. Type in SU root. Password is Alpine. And then you should be at the root directory. Let's try and paste it again. Click return. And it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Why isn't it working? I do not know. Shell 5. Oh. Because I haven't started the server. Alright, sorry about that. Click Y. There we go. Now click now paste it and click enter. There we go. Right. Now you know what to do if you mess up. Allow remote access. I personally wouldn't want the alert to come up if you're trying to hack someone's phone. But the person who created this program has done that as a security measure. But this is open source, so you can change it around. So click yes. And then boom, you're into your iPhone. Now if we close WinSCP, go back to it, click OK. You're pretty much done. Just need to, right, you type commands, so click help, which gives you a list of commands. You can download images, get current machine user and name. I'm going to try home first, which takes it to the home screen. What else can we try? Lock, which locks the iPhone. Then to open it, you go and click try pass, and if you haven't got a passcode, then you just click enter and it opens up. But I have a passcode, so I'm going to enter it. Then it should unlock my phone. You can do last app, which should open. I'm not sure, that's not working yet, but yeah. Anyway, keylogger start. I think it's already running, yeah. And then whatever you type from now on, you will. If I stop it, it's going to stop. Keylogger start, resuming. Then if I lock the iPhone, put my passcode in, 1748, via keylogger, dump, then it will show me all what I've entered. So passcode is right at the bottom there, which shows me what I've just entered. So I'm gonna stop it. Right, I'm going to try other commands. So if I click open URL, http www.google.com for instance, it opens Safari and opens your URL. I'm going to try last app again to see if it works. I don't think it will, never mind. If we go home, do front camera, which will take a picture of the front camera, it should do. And then to find this file, you just copy and paste it into Spotlight, which is good. So first of all, you want to install add-ons, which is I've got to cut that out. Never mind. What else can we try? You can even dial a phone number. So dial 118 118. Then it should dial this number. Oh no, no spaces. There we go. Let's just hang up. What else can we try? See if the device is locked, which it isn't. No, it's unlocked. You can wake the device, you can play music on it, which is handy. You can double home, which go to the multitasking, which is good. I'm going to go back to home. You can do a lot on here. You can get the battery life, you can get SMS, which copies your whole messages. You can get paste, which will get whatever I copied, which is all of that obviously. So get SMS maybe. I think it takes a while though, but eventually it does it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. To exit, you just wait and then click exit and enter, and it should clean up everything for you. So that's pretty much it. You can have fun with it. I'll come up with an updated tutorial if I know how to connect to someone who's not on your local Wi-Fi, because I'd love to do that. So I'm going to play around with it a bit and I'll let you know. So yeah, thanks guys.